Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily format selected cells using the buttons within the Font button group, the Alignment button group, and the Number button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. To do this, select the cells to format. Then click the desired formatting button within these button groups. Some of these buttons have a small drop-down arrow next to them. If you click one of these small drop-down arrows, a drop-down menu appears to let you specify more button settings. For example, if you click the drop-down arrow to the right of the Fill Color button, it shows a palette of colors in a drop-down menu that you can click within to set a new fill color. After changing the fill color, the color strip underneath the paint can on the button's icon then changes to reflect the most recent selection. After that, all you need to do is directly click the Fill Color button to apply your most recent color choice. Let's examine the buttons in each cell formatting button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Like many other button groups in the ribbon, not every possible formatting option appears as a button in these button groups. For more advanced cell formatting options, you can click the small Dialog box launcher button in the lower right corner of the Font, Alignment, or Number button groups to open the Format Cells dialog box. This dialog box contains all the available cell formatting options. You can also open this dialog box by clicking the Format button in the Cells button group on the Home tab of the ribbon, and then selecting the Format Cells command from the drop-down menu that appears. Each button group appears as a separate tab in the Format Cells dialog box. You can click the tabs to switch between the formatting options. We will discuss the options available on each tab in a separate lesson. For now, just note how to open this dialog box. You can close the Format Cells dialog box by clicking the X button in the upper right corner of the dialog box. Back on the Home tab within the ribbon, there are several common formatting options available. The Font button group contains the Font, Font Size, Increase Font Size, Decrease Font Size, Bold, Italic, and Underline buttons. It also contains the Borders button, the Fill Color button, and the Font Color button. The Alignment button group contains the Top Align, Middle Align, Bottom Align, Orientation, Wrap Text, Align Left, Center, Align Right, Decrease Indent, Increase Indent, and Merge and Center buttons. The Number button group contains the Number Format dropdown, a counting number format button, percent style button, comma style button, and the increase decimal and decrease decimal buttons.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.